Hey there, pickle lovers. Ready to make some crunchy refrigerator pickles from scratch? First, let's prepare our brine. Mix water, vinegar, salt, and sugar in a pot and bring it to a boil. Now, slice your cucumbers and pack them tightly into a clean jar. Pour the hot brine over the cucumbers, making sure they're fully submerged. Seal the jar and let it cool before popping it into the fridge. In just 24 hours, you'll have delicious, crunchy pickles ready to enjoy. Remember, the longer they sit, the better they taste. So get creative with spices and herbs for your own unique flavor. Happy pickling and enjoy your homemade crunchy goodness. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.